Okay, coming to the quadrilateral, see here children. So Akash material we are doing yesterday. CBSE. Okay, today we are doing short answer questions. Short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. Okay, chalo chalo. First question. Vedant, children, Vedant, this is a rhombus. A,
Yes.
B, C, D. This is a rhombus. Again, this is diagonal AC of rhombus is find all the angles of what is that Rishikesh? What is that Rishikesh? Read out for me. Is equal of its sides. Rishikesh, what is that? Can you read first
Ye-
question? Diagonal
Yes,
AC
sir.
of a rhombus AB.
Diagonal AC of a rhombus ABCD is equal to one of its sides BC.
One
Find
of
all
its
angles of the rhombus.
okay, Vedant, you keep that page intact, Rishikesh. So Vedant is saying diagonal is equal to one side, but in rhombus all sides are
Equal.
so diagonal and all sides are equal. Diagonal and all sides are equal. You have to tell angle first.
Angles.
If these three sides are equal, it
Yes,
is
sir. Equilateral triangle.
in equilateral triangle, each angle will be how much?
60 degrees.
This is how much? 60.
60 degrees,
This
60
is how
degrees.
much? And this is also equilateral triangle. This is how
Yes, sir.
much?
60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. Two angles are 60 and two angles are 120.
Yeah, two angle A is how much? 120 degrees. Angle C also 120 degrees. Angle D is 60 degrees. Angle B is 60. Total should be 360. 240, 300, 360. Yes. So children, because all sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle and we made it as a 60 degrees. Okay. Second question, Pravadika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
In a parallelogram ABCD, this is the parallelogram. Okay, they gave A, B, C. This is the parallelogram ABCD. He's saying that OA is equal to OB. He's saying that OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. What type of parallelogram is ABCD? What type of parallelogram is ABCD? He's saying, yeah. Yes, what type of a parallelogram? Normally, this and this will be equal. But he's saying this and this also equal. This and this also will be equal. So all diagonals are equal. See, Nana, diagonals are equal.
Rectangle?
Yes, diagonals are equal means it is a rectangle. Diagonals are equal means it is a rectangle. A parallelogram with diagonals equal means it is a rectangle. Parallelogram with diagonals equal. See, this equal. This equal. He said these both are also equal. Means diagonals are equal. If its diagonals are equal, it is a rectangle. If the parallelogram in which diagonals are equal, it is a rectangle. Next, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
The diagonals of rhombus are 8 and. Can you read the question?
Yes, sir. The diagonals of a rhombus are a centimeters and 32 centimeters. The length of one side of the rhombus is 20 centimeters. Find the value of A.
Did you understand? One diagonal is 32, one diagonal is A, and all sides are 20. All sides are 20. He is asking you to
20.
find out this full diagonal in how much.
They're using Pythagoras theorem.
Why we should use Pythagoras theorem? Because in rhombus,
Because in the rhombus the diagonals bisect each other.
perpendicularly in
Yes, sir. Yes.
rhombus, in
Diagonals
rhombus,
in rhombus diagonal bisect each other perpendicularly.
bisect perpendicularly. In rhombus, diagonal bisect perpendicularly. So this is 32, and in rhombus, diagonal bisect. This is 16. This is
16 and
This is
16.
A by 2. This is A by 2. Okay. So can you apply Pythagoras theorem for this?
Yes, sir. 20 square is equals to 16 square plus a by 2 whole square.
Okay.
20 okay, 400 is equals to 256 plus 2 a by 2. 400 minus 256 is equals to a by 2 whole square. 144 is equals to a by 2 whole square. Root 144. 12 is equals to a by 2. A is equals to 6.
A is equal to 24.
Oh, yes,
A
sir.
is equal to 24. Total A
24.
is 24. So one diagonal is 32, other diagonal is 24. One diagonal is 32, other diagonal is 24. Next, Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ABCD is a parallelogram. See, they have given like A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, so they are giving ABCD is a parallelogram. AC is diagonal. AC is one diagonal. So that AC divides parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Okay, AC divides parallelogram into two congruent. This AC divides parallelogram into two congruent triangles. We have to prove. Means we have to prove that these both triangles are congruent.
Yes, sir. Sir, AB is equals to DC.
In ABC and ADC. In ABC and ADC. Tell me first, AB is equal to DC, right?
Because parallel opposite sides are parallel, sir. In
In
parallel.
opposite sides of in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram,
Opposite sides are equal.
in parallelogram.
Opposite sides are equal.
Okay. Okay. Next,
AC is equals to AC, sir. Common.
BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to
Yes, sir.
AD. Why same? In parallelogram,
In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal.
AC is equal to AC.
Common.
Common side. AC is equal to AC. Common side. Why?
Sir,
Yes,
because
sir.
by SSS,
ABC is congruent to ADC. ABC is congruent to ADC. So congruent triangles will have equal area. Congruent triangles will have
equal area.
congruent triangles will have
Equal area.
congruent triangles will have
Equal area.
yeah, always children, congruent triangles will have equal area. Congruent triangles will have equal area. Please do not forget this. Congruent triangles will have equal area. Next, Nandika is there. Nandik, are you there? Suju, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The bisectors of A and B meet like this. See here. This is A, B, C, D. The bisectors of A and B meet here. Bisectors of A and this is 60, this is 100 degrees. This is 60 and this is 100 degrees. Okay. Find the ABB. This is the angle he is asking. And he is saying bisector. Bisector means what, right? He divides it into this angle equal to this angle. Bisector means what? This angle equal to this angle. Again, bisector means this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and the bisectors of something. Okay, so can anyone apply angles of property for ABCD? For ABCD, angles of property, everyone.
Sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees.
360 degrees. A is how much? A is how much?
Sir, A is 2x and
B
B
is
is 2y. C is 60 and C is 100 and D is 60 is equal to 360. 2x plus 2y is equal plus 160 is equal to 360. 160 goes there. 2x plus 2y is equal to 200.
Okay.
X plus y is equal to 100.
X plus y is equal to 100. Can anyone apply for PAB angles of property? For PAB.
X plus y plus P
X
is equal
plus
to
y plus P is equal to 180 degrees. Children, see, X plus y plus P is equal to 180 degrees. But X plus y, how much you got, children?
100.
100 plus P is equal to 180. So P is equal to 180 minus 100 is
80.
80 degrees is the answer. 80 degrees is the answer. Okay, children, Rishikesh is there. Rishikesh. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next one, Rishikesh. What is the name of regular polygon ratio of measure of interior angles, measure of exterior angles are 7:2? He's saying two polygons are there. Polygon 1 is there, polygon 2 is there. The ratio of their exterior angles is 7:2. He's asking what is the ratio of their interior angles? What is ratio of interior angles? Okay, so what is the formula for exterior angle?
Sir,
360 by
3,
And
10.
n. 360 by n. 360 by n. Ratio of sum of all see normally sum of All extra angles is 360 also.
360
So
degrees. Yes.
360 by first one is 360 by n1.
N
Second one is
1
360 by
360 by N2.
is equal to 7 by 2.
7 by 2.
360, 360.
Cancel.
This goes up, this comes here. So n2 by n1 is equal to 7 by 2.
7 by 2.
Now, what is the ratio of their interior angles? Ratio of their find the ratio of interior angles. What is the formula for interior angles, children? N minus 2 into
N minus 2
by-
into 180 by
by
N.
Okay. N minus 2 by 1 into 180 by n. First one n1 n1. Second one
N2 N
minus 2
N2 minus 2 into 180 by N2.
by n. So 180 180
Cancel.
cancel. What is n1? N1 is how much?
2. 2x.
N1 is 2x. Okay, this is 7x. This is 2x. So
2x.
2x minus
2x
2
minus
by
2
n1 is how
by
much?
2x.
And what is n2, children?
7x.
By 2 by
By
7x.
7x.
Okay. N minus 2 into 180. Yeah. So what is the ratio they're asking? Okay. So what we'll do now?
Sir, maybe we can write 2x minus 2 by 2x into 7x by 7x minus 2.
What
Sir,
is
or bring that 7x minus 2 by 7x to that side, to the right hand side.
Yes.
Nana, once Rishikesh read the question. What is the name of it?
What is the name of a regular polygon whose ratio of the measure of an interior angle to the measure of an exterior angle
I'm sorry.
is 7:2?
I gave the question itself wrong. I'm very, very sorry. He said polygon interior to polygon exterior is 7 by 2. I'm very sorry. Polygon interior is to polygon. What is the formula for polygon interior?
N minus 2 into 180 by N.
What is the formula for exterior?
360 by N.
This is 7 by 2. Interior angle to exterior angle.
And then cancel.
So n minus 2 into 180
180 by 360 is equals to 7 by 2.
So this is
2s are n
Two,
minus
two.
2 cancel.
So,
N minus 2 is 7. 7 is equals to 9. Sorry, n is
So-
equals to 9.
so 9-sided figure. It is a 9-sided figure. Okay, children. Last question, children, for today. ABCD is a regular pentagon. Last question, children. I want to see here. ABCD is a regular pentagon. What is meant by regular pentagon? Anyone? All sides are?
All sides are equal.
All sides are
All
equal.
angles are equal. The diagonal divides the CD. The diagonal divides the CD into two parts. The diagonal divides CDE. CDE. Angle CDE into two parts. Diagonal. Okay. What diagonal? This is diagonal here. The diagonal divides the CD into two parts. Find the AD to AC. Now, once read the question. Anna.
A B C D E is a regular pentagon.
Okay.
The diagonals AD divides the angle.
Diagonal AD.
Diagonal AD
Diagonal AD
divides the angle CDE into two parts.
into two parts. Yeah, two parts.
Find the ratio of angle ADE to angle ADC.
ADE to ADC. So, children, this angle to this angle, we should find out the ratio. Children. That angle to that angle ratio, we should find out. Children, very nice. This is very okay, children. So, this angle to this angle, we should find the ratio. Okay, children. So, normally, what is the pentagon means, children? N minus 2 into 180 by n. If you do, you will get each angle. Each angle of pentagon is how much? Anyone? How much, children? 3 into 180 by 5. So 2 3 is 6, 6 8 is 40. 108, children. Each angle of pentagon is 108. Children, try to understand. each angle of pentagon is 108. Children, please see here, each angle of pentagon is 108. This is 108. This is 108. This is 108. This is also 108. This is also 108. Okay, all angles are 108. Now what was happening? What happened? So children, there was a diagonal A, B, C, D, E. There was a diagonal from D to A. Oh, A, B, C. A, B, please see here children, C, D and E children. There was a diagonal from A to D, which divides this angle into two parts. What is the ratio of the two parts is asking children. What is the ratio of the two parts? Okay children, so this is 108 children. If one is X, other will be
X minus 108 minus X.
108 minus X. 108 minus X. Children, how will we find out that X and 108X we should find out. Since these both are equal sides, they will have here equal angles. Here X means here also X. Here X means here also X. So 108 plus X is equal to 180 because this is a triangle. So 108 plus 2X is equal to 180. 2X is equal to 180 minus 108. 2X is equal to 72. X is equal to 36 degrees, children. Children, if one is 36, what is the other one? 108 minus 36, that is 72. That is 72. Okay, children. So what is the ratio? 1:2. 1:2, like that. Okay, children, remaining sums will do tomorrow. Children, please prepare this well. For tomorrow exam, all these questions will come, children. Okay, check the video. I'll send the video. Please prepare well, children. Thank you so much. Give attendance and